eFolder Anchor offers partners and their end users invincible productivity. End users benefit from a seamless user experience and secure collaboration options. Partners gain peace of mind knowing that data is protected and secure. This video will introduce you to the Anchor platform and show you why Anchor is the leading file sync and share product for MSPs. With a wealth of policy and configuration settings, IT professionals can customize and streamline a user's experience, empowering clients to get more work done without getting in the way. When your users first log into the web portal, they have immediate access to their synced content. These are the files and folders available in the cloud, and there's never any file size limitation unless you, as the administrator, decide to set one. In addition to cloud access, your users can also download an array of clients and apps to give them access to these files and folders on any of their preferred devices. Anchor also supports WebDAV as another way for users to access their synced content. Using the desktop client, users can sync down all content or select specific folders and subfolders they want to access on their local machine. With Selective Sync, users can easily prioritize the content that is most important to them while saving on bandwidth and storage costs. Anchor empowers users to securely access, share, and collaborate on workstations, laptops, mobile devices, and the cloud. One way that users can collaborate is through team shares. Team shares are shared folders or project folders that can be accessed by groups of users internal to an organization or across multiple organizations. When a file changes within a team share, these changes sync to the cloud and to every subscriber. When working in these team shares, users can place locks on files and folders, giving subscribers the ability to set read-only permissions on shared content. This feature prevents other team share subscribers from editing and overwriting content while changes are being made. Another way to collaborate is to send a direct link to a file or folder to internal or external users. These share links can be either public or secure. While public share links are easily accessible through the single click of a mouse, secure share links require each recipient to log in with their own unique login credentials, adding an extra layer of security and administrative control. Either way, when you send a share link, you can configure settings like notification options, expiration dates, and permissions. If you send a secure share to a recipient outside of your organization, the system will automatically create a guest account for that user and send login credentials through email. And with the Collaborative Web Editor, users can edit documents, spreadsheets, and presentations when working in the web portal without needing to download a separate application or navigate away from the system. Additionally, the Collaborative Web Editor allows users to make these changes simultaneously with multiple co-authors and lets you see each edit in real time. No matter how you decide to work and collaborate, Anchor captures revisions or versions of each file stored in the system, allowing users to view or restore older versions if necessary. And while your users are syncing, sharing, and collaborating, you benefit from a low total cost of ownership. As an administrator, you can use the multi-tenant administrative web portal to create and manage organizations and sub-organizations for all of your clients. These organizations are arranged in a hierarchy within the navigation menu, allowing for a scalable environment that can grow and change according to your needs. Simply click the Create button to add a new organization and configure custom policies and feature settings for this new site. You can even configure branding options that conform to your company's or your client's branding strategy. These branding settings will affect the look of the web portal, mobile apps, and the desktop client for both Windows and Mac machines. A multitude of integration options, reporting tools, and set it and forget it alerting allows you to support more clients in less time, providing ultimate control and peace of mind productivity. Active Directory or any LDAP authentication source can act as a source for user accounts within the system. When an authentication source is configured, an imported user can log into the web portal using the credentials attached to his or her authentication source account. You can also integrate with a professional services automation or PSA platform, which are systems that support companies that sell, service, and support technology. If you use ConnectWise as your PSA platform, you can optionally integrate this platform with Anchor to help you track alerts or systematize your billing process. And when you are onboarding this new client site, it's easy to map their existing data into the cloud. File server enablement allows you to map a folder structure of a file server to a team share or a user account. In addition to local paths, you can specify a network share, a UNC path, or a NAS device as your source. This feature replaces the need for mapped drives or network drives so that your users no longer need to be on site or require the use of a VPN connection to access their work content. And finally, with a 24/7 US-based technical support team, coupled with advanced security and point-in-time data recovery features, our partners can rest assured knowing that client data is safe and recoverable. When managing and monitoring your organizations, you can use policies to protect synced data from unauthorized access. Anchor also provides a way to recover from ransomware attacks, which is malware that denies access to infected content and demands that the user pay a ransom to remove this restriction. In these cases, the snapshot feature helps you recover from advanced attacks, allowing you to restore data as it existed before infection. And if an end user loses a computer or a mobile phone, administrators can unlink the compromised device from the user account, thereby protecting synced data from unauthorized access. This technique is called a remote wipe and is especially useful in organizations that need to comply with certain rules and regulations, such as HIPAA. If you are interested in instant data recovery, our Backups feature allows you and your users to create backups of folders that exist on local machines. When a folder is backed up in Anchor, all new changes are continuously backed up so that there's no need for scheduling. And our alerting and reporting tools ensure that you can effectively and efficiently monitor your environment. With the activity log, you can track all usage across the system and create alerts on accounts, data usage, machines, routes, organizations, and guests. And the reporting tool allows administrators to generate reports on important information like machine health, system activity, and user activity. You can export these reports to a PDF, Excel, or CSV file, and you can set up recurring reports so you always stay in the know. And that concludes our demo of Anchor, the file sync and share tool built for you, the MSP. We invite you to learn more about Anchor and our other product offerings at www.efolder.net. Thanks for watching.